Mola Plus Investments Limited. Mola Plus Investment Limited, we've been around for the last 15 plus years, and our specialty is supporting Africa's livestock and crop farmers in wealth creation through innovation and effective resource utilization. We manufacture products that are related with poultry, dairy, beef, and pigs, as well as crops. Our mandate is to support both the livestock and crop farmers, and our focus is to help farmers create wealth and look at crop farming or poultry farming or dairy farming or pig farming as a business of creating wealth. The main aim is not doing it as a hobby, but doing it to create wealth. Many people went wrong because of a wrong foundation. They found their parents keeping animals, keeping birds or poultry or dairy or pigs, and they just thought it is something that can just go on like that. In this era, things have really changed, and we really insist somebody should know what they're getting into when they get into, say, poultry farming, what they're getting into when they get into dairy farming, when they are getting into when they're doing beef, when they're doing goats, when they're doing sheep. And honestly, it is a wealth creating space. Nearly every African home, Kenyan home, has a chicken or chicken. And because of poor husbandry, because of lack of knowledge, or because of lack of understanding the purpose for which that chicken is, they lose opportunities that would have helped them create a lot of wealth from a single chicken. Because if they became good stewards, for example, a single chicken can even deliver as much as in excess of $1 million worth of Kenya shillings because of stewardship. Look at it this way. Assume you have a chicken that is laying eggs, start laying on 1st of January. You only have that one chicken laying on 1st of January. That chicken that starts laying on 1st of January, assume by 20th January, they have laid about 15 or 14 eggs. You'll pick those eggs, take them to a neighbor's incubator, and incubate your eggs at the neighbor's incubator. Allow your chicken to cry for a week or two, and then start laying more eggs because they have realized that they lost the first batch of the eggs they laid. Being a good steward, somebody who understands that a chicken is an investment, would take those chicks, put them into a brooder, protect them from preys that would want to come and take them away, protect them from unnecessary cold, expose them to forecast good feeding, let them be fed well, be kept warm, so that out of the 14, 100% or at most, only one chick gets lost. So they have, say, a minimum of 12 chicks that have survived. Meanwhile, this same chicken that laid the 12 survived chicks has completed laying another 15 eggs. They also be picked and be put in the neighbor's incubator. And let this chicken suffer for another 1 or 2 weeks for losing her babies. Then again start laying. 21 days, the chicks that were at the neighbor's incubator have also joined this other one in brooder 2. So you start brooding another 14 chicks from the same one hen. This other one will continue, and you also, after another 21 days, you get the 15 eggs, put them into the neighbor's incubator, and continue the process. How do you make one chicken become 10 chicken, 200 chicken, 400 chicken, 1,000 chicken? When you have 1,000 layers, when they lay, they will give you 1,000 1,000 times 15 eggs, and they'll give you more. You will keep on selling the male to help feed the female that keep on laying, and you realize that chicken is wealth. Now, anybody who wants to do anything that is supposed to generate financial resources must ask themselves, where is the money? You must see the money in your mind. You must see the journey that you want to walk to get to the point where you can apprehend the money that you have taken off to achieve. So if you look at that one chicken, you won't see the need for stewardship. You won't see the need for feeding it well. You won't see the need for watering her well. You won't see the need for vaccinating her. You won't see the need for protecting her from prey. You won't see the need of making sure that she has shelter. But when you see what you can get out of this, it is even if you are using a neighbor's cook to serve her, you will see one chicken in a month, one chicken plus 15 chicks in 2 months, one chicken, 15 chicks and 15 eggs in 2 months or 3 months. And then you will see other chicks and you continue like that and you create wealth out of poultry.